Okay, so let's jump into rotations by doing this think about it. Make sure you are annotating first. If your slides aren't annotated, I'm going to ask you to go back and do that so you get full credit. Got to make sure you're actually reading. So we have this triangle. It was rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So I need to record all the coordinates of the image, and I need to explain what I notice about the coordinates of the pre-image and the image, and what do I notice about the location and the quadrant. So that's a lot. I'm going to go back through that and just number how many different things I need to do so I know if I'm done. So it was rotated. The first thing I need to do is record the coordinates. Then I need to explain what I see about the coordinates. Then I need to write what I notice about the location and the quadrant. So 4 different things I need to do. The first thing is pretty simple. Let's get these ordered pairs down. So we have A, B, C, and then A prime, B prime, C prime. A is located at 1, 2. B is located at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. And C is located at 5, 1. For my image after the rotation, A is now located at 2, -1. B is located at 5, -3. And C is located at 1 and -5. So double check your ordered pairs. If any need to change them now. So that's the first thing. Check. Explain what I notice about the coordinates. So if I look at my x's here and my x's here and my y's, what do I notice? So I had 1, 2. Now it's 2, 1. I had 3, 5. Now it's 5, 3. I had 5, 1. Now it's 1, 5. So it looks like the x and y values, they kind of flip-flopped. So they switched places. X and y switched, and then also my y's were positive, and now they're negative. So 2 things I noticed. So first, I notice the x and y values, they switched. You had a slide to type on, but I'm just writing. And then the y's also became negative. Y also so that's what I noticed. What do you notice about the location? Well, it was in quadrant 1, and now it's in quadrant 4. That's really all I notice about the location. So I had a 90-degree clockwise. Clockwise goes this way, the same way a clock moves. So it started in quadrant 1 and it moved to quadrant 4. My x's and y's switched places and my y's became negative. That's everything we should have noticed in this think about it. If you missed something, go back and add it now, and we're about to take some notes. You can take notes on paper if you prefer, if it's easier for you, or I've provided 2 pages of notes in the Pear Deck. You can take notes in the Pear Deck if that's easier. So just pick one, paper or the Pear Deck, and that's where you'll keep your notes for this lesson.